Howdy ho, YouTubians. Gary here at VW Jawbreaker. Happy New Year. Hope you guys had a nice, safe holiday season. Great Christmas, great New Year. Hope everything's going well for you. Hope you guys had a nice, healthy time. Got to spend some time with some family. You know, all the good jazz. Today, we are actually heading over to finally pick up some lumber to start building the body dolly and get that body off the 60. Had a window, had to go. So, we'll get to work right after this. So it's really been sucking, guys, not putting out videos, not being able to be out in the garage, getting any work done. I've got so much sitting there ready to work. So many parts have come in, got so much to do, and my ankle's been bumming me now for what, 5-6 weeks. Just now getting to the point where it's still kind of swollen, but I'm able to get around a little better. My number one priority, unfortunately, is needing to go to work and not working in the garage. So I've been going to work every day. Luckily, my bosses have been real cool with me and let me kind of just do what I can and not pushing myself too much. So I've been coming home from work and just basically icing my ankle, keeping it elevated. I have not done anything in the garage whatsoever in at least a month. The last time you saw, well, the last video that you saw me out driving around before Christmas, that was really the last time I've been in the car. The car's been sitting. So, hang on, the speed limit just changed. I gotta do something. Little inside thing. But here I am. And those that have watched the podcast with good old Mike will get this. I'm currently doing 20 miles an hour in a 40. Just for you, Joey. All right, let's get going. So the next big thing we need to do on the 60 is go ahead and get that body dolly built so we can get the body off the chassis. And I got a couple buddies that are going to come over and we're going to get the heater channels started. We got to get the heater channels done first before we can really do anything else. We've got the lower A pillars to do, the firewall to do, we've got the outer rear quarters to do, lower parts of the B pillar. All that is built up off the heater channels, so we need to get the channels done first. I could probably do it. But you know, a lot of the times it's a lot more fun to do stuff with your friends, even though you're doing a project or something like that. So I figured, hey, why not? They want to come over and lend a hand. We'll just do it together and have some fun that day. That guy's doing like 15 in a 50. I love this car. So anyway, we're on our way to Home Depot now, pick up some lumber, get all that knocked out. But I did want to take a second and say thank you to everybody. You know, I know I haven't been putting up videos, but I've been trying to still stay a little bit interactive. I've been putting up some posts and stuff, and I really appreciate you guys communicating with me on that and being a part of the channel. You know, there's a lot of you guys that have been subbed and have been around for a long time. And then there's quite a few of you as well that, you know, you pop in and out and hang out a little bit. And I just want to say, I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. You know, we were able to take the 15% from the YouTube earnings last year, 100% of the merch sales, and donate all that to the local Humane Society. They were extremely thrilled to get that donation. I tried to do it secretively because I don't want any publicity from it. You know, they were nice enough to send me a nice email thanking me, which was really cool. At the same time, you know, I'm a small channel. It's not like I'm making much money anyway, but I still wanted to give back to the local community. Besides what I normally do for the local community, you know, I try to do as much as I can and pay things forward. You know, if more people did that, we would have the world would be so much better. We'd be in a better place overall. You know, if everybody would treat people the way they want to be treated and would give back and go the extra mile for people. Instead, it seems like most people are just out for themselves and what can they do to, you know, to get something out of somebody or sue somebody or whatever. It's ridiculous how people's minds work nowadays. I just don't understand it. Luckily, we don't deal with that too much in the Volkswagen community. You know, the Volkswagen community, for the most part, everybody's, you know, willing to help one another. It's such an amazing group of people. Absolutely honored. Absolutely honored to be a part of it. And the fact that I'm just recording me doing my stuff, you know, my thing. I'm no expert. I'm just doing my thing, sharing my experiences with you guys. And for a lot of you guys to look at me as a role model or something like that, it's just kind of mind-blowing, to be honest with you.
Really probably think you could pick somebody better, but thank you, I appreciate it.
Alright, so we're going to pull in here, find a parking spot, go inside and see how much lumber prices have increased. And now it's starting to rain. Good thing I'm not building a house with this lumber. Damn, she runs good today. Thing's so nice and torquey, like 15 miles an hour right there in third gear, and it didn't even hiccup. This engine is just, this 2054 is still impresses me. I think pro parking works for us today. We're professionals. All right, guys, let's go inside. A good old Home Depot. Let's grab ourselves a cart. Let's get going. We're all masked up. This stuff still hasn't ended yet. This is ridiculous. But we're not going to go about all that today. So, probably a little overkill, but we got it. You as well. All right, we paid, we out. Let's go load up. Who said you need a truck? Let's get home. I'm tired. I'm ready to go rest. Let's get her done. Getting some interesting looks. This ain't nothing though compared to when I had a couple panels of privacy fence on the roof. Got some looks after that one. Sun's out. you know what? Forgot to mention, guys. Keep the comments coming for the name for the 60. I got a list. I've been checking it twice. Still trying to come up with a good name. And whoever's name I pick will send you a little something as a thank you. So keep those names coming. I definitely appreciate all the help and support I can get. Really hoping this year is going to be better than last year. On the flip side of that, I hate it when people say that. You know, it's not always about the year. What you need to do is make tomorrow better. If today sucks, chalk it up to it sucked, make the best of it, make the next day better. It's real simple. I hate it when people go, oh my gosh, it's only the first of the year and this year already sucks. You just wrote off the year. You know you only get so many of those in your lifetime, right? Okay, rant over. Sure, you get my drift. It'd be really nice if people would pay attention to where they're going. Somebody else just stuck their head out the window like, what the hell is this guy doing? It's awesome. Well, we're almost home. Once again, I appreciate all the kind words, the support. Do me a favor. The more this channel grows, and I know I don't push this hardly ever, but the more this channel grows, the more we're able to give back. And I'm thinking the end of this year, we can do better than we did last year in donating. Maybe we can split it between 2 different charities. That's my thought. But I need y'all's help. I need you to subscribe. I need you to do me a favor and go down and hit the notification bell. And I also need you to do me one other favor. I posted a link the other day for Madstyles. He's going through some stuff right now and he could really use some support, guys. Definitely got some family stuff going on. Go give him a shout out. Go give him a thumbs up, give him a like. He's got a link to his GoFundMe. Basically, his wife's got cancer, guys, and her days are numbered. So definitely need to support him. So anyway, as always, I appreciate you. Be kind to one another. Treat people the way you want to be treated. Be good. And we'll catch you on the next one.